Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast.
Hi, I'm so happy to be here today. James, today's topic is a big one.
It really is. We're talking about something almost every English learner feels shyness.
Yes, the feeling when you know the words, you understand everything, but the moment you need to speak,
Your mind just goes blank.
exactly. Your heart starts beating fast, your hands get a little sweaty.
And you think, I don't want to make a mistake in front of people.
If that's you listening right now, don't worry. You are definitely not alone.
Not even close. So today we're going to talk about why this happens and what you can actually do about it.
Real, simple steps, not just theory.
Let's get into it.
So, James, let's start with the big question. Why do we feel shy when we speak English?
Great question. And here's something important right away. Shyness is not really a language problem.
What do you mean?
It's more of a feeling problem. I've met people with amazing English who are still shy to speak.
That's so true. And I've met people with very simple English who speak with so much confidence.
Exactly. So let's break down 3 common reasons for this.
Okay, reason number one.
Fear of mistakes. A lot of us learned English in school, right?
Oh, don't remind me.
And in school, mistakes were often a bad thing. The teacher corrects you in front of the whole class.
Other students laugh a little.
And you feel embarrassed. So this feeling just stays with us. As adults, we think, if I make a mistake, people will judge me.
But here's the truth, and I want everyone to really hear this. Native speakers make mistakes too. Every single day. In their own language.
All the time. Nobody speaks perfectly all the time. Mistakes are just part of speaking any language.
Okay, what's reason number two?
Fear of judgment. This is a big one for a lot of people.
Yes, we worry about our accent, our grammar, whether we sound strange.
But Sophia, let me ask you something. When you hear someone speak your language with an accent, do you judge them?
No, actually the opposite. I feel happy, I feel respect. I think, wow, this person is learning my language. That takes courage.
Exactly. And most people feel the same way about you.
That's such a good point. Okay, and reason number three?
Comparing ourselves to others. This is very common now, especially with social media.
Oh, yes. You see someone speaking English online, so fast, so smooth,
And you think, I could never speak like that.
but we don't see their whole journey, right? We don't see their mistakes, their years of practice.
We only see the final result, not the process behind it.
So remember this, everyone. Every person who speaks English well today was once a beginner. Everyone felt nervous. Everyone felt shy at some point.
Even us.